I don't know if this is a dumb idea or a smart idea, but Jacob and I are out going on the river. We go crappie fishing and caught him some striper yesterday, so we're gonna go out and try to catch some striper, some crappie. But the other day we had a big snowstorm and, well, the parking lot's freaking slushy. We'll see what we could do, but hopefully we can go and get us some fish.
Good news is once it hits the water, it's gonna stop.
Okay.
The worst case, slide back to the water and then...
It'll be good though. If we could go out and catch us some fish. Yeah. I'm gonna be crappie fishing with this new Sugalin setup that I got from Ricky for Christmas on Amazon. Spooled it up last night with their braid, 12-pound braid. See how that's gonna hold up. But I'm gonna set this up, put some minnows on it, see if we can catch some fish. Here's the fun part. Freaking dumping this damn boat in the water. Well, we got the boat down. We gotta see how he's gonna do pulling the truck up. Oh man. See if I catch anything on this freaking crappie setup. No, it's the other one. Go back. No, I was hung up.
See that? That's crappie, I think, actually. Hang on. Should be right here.
Oh, it's a fucking bass. Show the camera what you got. Huh? Show the camera what you got, Jacob.
I caught a damn bass.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I got it.
Yeah, you got it. Damn. Battery died, but I caught me a crappie. Jacob caught two. Caught it on this freaking combo. Pretty cool.
It's actually a better one. He ain't a giant, but hell yeah. That was kind of sick on the scope, bro. Did you see him come all the way up out of there? He just blasted across the screen.
Let's see the rod you're using, man.
The old dock shooter. Oh shit, I got one in touch. Look at him.
I see him. He's following it.
Oh no, he didn't eat it. Damn. Go back down. Raise it up, raise it up.
Oh, dude. He chased after it.
Big one.
Let's go.
Did you see him take off? That's a good one. Holy cow, bro. He's running me around the damn bank there.
Slabberoonie.
That's a keeper.
Yes, sir, skis.
Damn.
Another one?
Another one. Another one.
GoPro died, so I have to use my phone now. But it's not a slabberoonie. Yes, sir.
One.
Yes, sir, ski.
He may be a keeper. Probably not, but he might be. Tangled up.
I'm not. Damn, Jacob, you're just whooping my ass, huh, crappie master?
We got a little one, a little pip squeaker. I ain't mad about it. We like the little ones too.
Yoink.
Oh, it's a magnolia.
On the new 10-footer. Let's go.
It is kind of hard to get them in on the 10-footer. What you think about that, boy?
Finally, dude.
There we
Fish
go.
number 2, baby. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a bass. I was about to say, bro, if that's a crappie, that's a fucking stud. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
You putting on a clinic, aren't you? Putting it to work.
Fine, bro. Dang. Right in the top of the lip. Fat little guy.
What do you think?
a grind.
It's a grind. Tough.
Made it work.
Saw some on active target. A lot actually, but just couldn't catch him. GoPro died, but let's see if we can make a video of this. If not, oh well, man. Maybe next time. But good old Arkansas River. Yes, sir.